Insects and reptiles have distinct lifestyles shaped by their biological differences. Insects. Insects are a diverse and highly adaptable group of invertebrates within the class Insecta. Here are some key characteristics and aspects of their lifestyle. Body structure. Exoskeleton, a hard protective outer shell made of chitin. Segmented body, divided into three main parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Legs and wings, 6 legs attached to the thorax, and many species have 1 or 2 pairs of wings. Sensory organs. Antennae, used for sensing the environment. Compound eyes, made up of multiple lenses, providing a wide field of vision. Mouth parts, vary widely depending on diet, e.g. mandibles for chewing, proboscis for sucking. Insects are found in virtually all environments on Earth, from deserts and rainforests to freshwater bodies and urban areas. Their adaptability allows them to exploit a wide range of ecological niches. Most insects reproduce through laying eggs. Metamorphosis. Complete metamorphosis involves 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult, e.g. butterflies, beetles. Incomplete metamorphosis involves 3 stages: egg, nymph, adult, e.g. grasshoppers, dragonflies. Insect diets are incredibly diverse. Herbivores feed on plants, e.g. caterpillars, aphids. Carnivores prey on other insects or small animals, e.g. praying mantises, ladybugs. Omnivores eat a variety of food sources, e.g. ants, cockroaches. Specialized feeders, some have highly specific diets, e.g. bees and nectar, dung beetles and feces. Insect behavior ranges from solitary to highly social. Solitary insects. Most insects are solitary, living and foraging alone. Social insects. Some, like ants, bees, and termites, live in complex colonies with defined roles and cooperative behavior. Pollinators, essential for the reproduction of many plants, e.g. bees, butterflies. Decomposers, break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients, e.g. beetles, flies. Predators and prey, integral parts of food webs, both as hunters and as food for other animals. Pest control. Some insects help control populations of other pests. Agriculture, vital for pollination but can also be pests. Medicine. Some insects are used in medical research and treatments. Culture. Insects appear in various cultural symbols, myths, and art. Insects are a vast and varied class of animals with unique adaptations that allow them to inhabit almost every ecosystem on Earth. Their diverse forms, behaviors, and ecological roles make them both fascinating and crucial to the health of natural environments. Size and structure. Small exoskeleton-covered bodies. Segmented bodies with 3 main parts: head, thorax, abdomen. 6 legs and often wings. Habitat and adaptation. Found in diverse environments: forests, deserts, water, urban areas. High adaptability. Many species thrive in specific niches. Reproduction. Many undergo metamorphosis: egg, larva, pupa, adult. Rapid reproduction with large numbers of offspring. Diet. Varied diets: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Some are specialized feeders, e.g. pollinators, decomposers. Behavior and social structure. Some exhibit complex social structures, e.g. ants, bees. Diverse behaviors: foraging, nesting, migration. Reptiles. Reptiles are a diverse group of cold-blooded vertebrates belonging to the class Reptilia. Here are key characteristics and aspects of their lifestyle. Body structure. Scales, covered in tough protective scales or scutes. Body forms include snakes, legless, lizards with limbs, turtles, tortoises with shells, and crocodilians with elongated bodies and tails. Sensory organs. Eyes, adapted for vision, often with good color perception. Jacobson's organ in some reptiles, like snakes and lizards, used for detecting smells. Habitat and distribution. Reptiles inhabit a range of environments, primarily in warmer climates. They can be found in deserts, forests, wetlands, and marine environments. Their ectothermic cold-blooded nature means they rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. Reproduction and development. Egg-laying. Most reptiles lay eggs, oviparous, with leathery shells that are often buried in soil or sand. Live birth. Some reptiles give birth to live young, viviparous, such as certain species of snakes and lizards. Parental care varies. Some reptiles, like crocodiles, show considerable parental care, while others, like most turtles, do not. Carnivorous. Many reptiles are carnivorous, preying on insects, small mammals, birds, and other reptiles, e.g. snakes, crocodiles. Herbivorous. Some reptiles, such as certain species of tortoises and iguanas, primarily eat plants. Omnivorous. Some reptiles have a varied diet that includes both plant and animal matter. Solitary. Most reptiles are solitary, coming together only for mating. Territorial. Many reptiles defend territories, especially during breeding seasons. Social behavior. Some reptiles, like certain lizards, exhibit social behaviors such as basking in groups. Predators. Reptiles often play key roles as predators in their ecosystems, helping to control populations of prey species. Prey. They also serve as prey for larger animals, contributing to the food web. Ecosystem engineers, some, like tortoises, alter habitats by digging burrows that provide shelter for other species. Biodiversity indicators. Reptiles are important indicators of environmental health and biodiversity. Cultural significance. Reptiles have various roles in human culture, mythology, and religion. Pet trade. Many reptiles are kept as pets, though this raises conservation and ethical concerns. Conservation. Many species are threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and poaching, making conservation efforts critical. Size and structure. Larger vertebrate animals with scales. Body forms vary. Snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodiles. Typically 4 legs, except snakes and legless lizards. Habitat and adaptation. Mostly terrestrial, some aquatic or semi-aquatic. Thrive in warm climates, often ectothermic, depend on external heat. Reproduction. Lay eggs or give live birth. Fewer offspring with more parental investment in some species. Diet. Primarily carnivorous or omnivorous. Some specialized diets, e.g. herbivorous tortoises. Behavior and social structure. Generally solitary, though some exhibit social behaviors, e.g. basking, mating rituals. Territorial and less complex social structures compared to social insects. Insects are small, exoskeleton-covered creatures with rapid reproduction and diverse, often complex social structures. They inhabit a wide range of environments. Reptiles are larger, scale-covered vertebrates, often solitary and dependent on external heat sources with slower reproduction and fewer, more independent offspring.